Ready to meet the future of smartphones? Let's unbox the iPhone 16 Ultra Pro Max. This beauty just dropped in September 2024 and it's packed with jaw-dropping features. First up, Apple Intelligence. It uses generative AI for tasks like text rewriting, summarization, and even object recognition. Plus, it's all about privacy with its new private cloud compute system. Camera lovers rejoice. Every iPhone 16 model rocks a 48MP Fusion main camera, and the Pro versions add a 5x telephoto lens and 4K video at 120 fps. Say hello to stunning photos and cinematic video. Need speed? Faster wired charging at 45W via USB-C and 25W wireless MagSafe charging will keep you powered up in no time. And check out the design: thinner bezels, larger Pro displays, and a fresh vertical camera layout. It comes in bold colors like black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine, with the Pro models flaunting a sleek titanium finish. Powered by the A18 and A18 Pro chips, these phones are a powerhouse for gaming and multitasking. Plus, upgraded 5G and Wi-Fi 7 means super fast internet. Starting at $1,299 USD, the iPhone 16 Ultra Pro Max is available for pre-order today and hits stores on September 20th. Stay tuned for more first looks and reviews.